Hello student. So in this video I will solve a question from IIT JEE Advanced 2020 paper 1. The question is from organic chemistry. Here they have given a bunches of reaction and we have to identify compound Q, R and S. So here we have P, which is a cyclic compound, the benzene ring, and it is reacting with the cyclic anhydride in presence of AlCl3, and AlCl3 is a Lewis acid. Okay. And when this cyclic anhydride reacts with Lewis acid, it will form the corresponding acyl cation. Okay, so it will form C double bond O oxygen, C double bond O oxygen. It will form this corresponding acyl cation. Okay. Now this acyl cation will react into the benzene ring. Now it can react in this position or in this position or in this position, but here is a bulky group is attached to this position. So due to this bulkiness, it will increase the steric hindrance in this position, in these two position. So this acyl cation cannot attack in this position. Okay, so it will attack in this position and it will form the corresponding acid. There were two methyl group, two cyclic group, and it will attack in this position C double bond O, C double bond O, when we have 1 2 oxygen Al plus. By the following hydrolysis, it will form this corresponding compound. 1 2, and here we have another carbonyl, so it will form one carbonyl and OH. So this is our compound Q. So this is the option B. This is our Q. So this is one of the right options. Okay. Now it is further reacting with zinc amalgam and HCl. So this is a Clemmensen reduction and it will reduce this carbonyl group to CH2. So it will form this molecule. C double bond to OH. Okay. So due to the Clemmensen reduction, this carbonyl group will reduce to CH2. Now we are using H3PO4 phosphoric acid, and phosphoric acid, the role of phosphoric acid, it will generate H plus, which will further react with OH and it will form OH2 positive. And after elimination of H2O, it will form the another acyl cation. It will form another acyl cation. Now this acyl cation can attack in this position or in this position, but if it attacks in this position, it will form 8-member rings, and if it attacks in this position, it will form a 6-member ring. And we know that 6-member is energetically more favorable, so it will attack compared to 8-member ring. So it will attack in this position and it will form the corresponding compound. So this is our ketone and there is a ketone in this position. So this is our compound R. So in option C, they have given compound R, but the position of the ketone group is different. So this option is not true. Okay. Now this reactant with MEMgBr, it is a Grignard reagent. What will Me minus will do? It will attack in this position and form the corresponding, after hydrolysis, it will form the corresponding alcohol type moiety. And it will form this OH here. Okay. So here it is further reacting with H2SO4 and heat. So when we react this with H2SO4 heat, it will form OH2 positive here, and after elimination of water, it will form a cyclic double bond system. There is methyl group here. Sorry. There will be a methyl group and a double bond here, and this is our compound S. So in option D they have given a compound S, so this option is also true. So in this question the correct options are option B and option D. Okay, so this is all about the solution of this question. If you have any doubt regarding the solution, please comment below, and thank you very much for watching this video.